सो हेलो वीवर्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम जा रहे हैं जिलोंग सिटी में, जो कि मेलबर्न से तकरीबन 1 घंटे की ड्राइव पे है। तो मेलबर्न पोर्श डीलरशिप ने मुझे ईमेल किया था कि वहाँ पे एक मोटरिंग फेस्टिवल हो रहा है, जहाँ पे कार स्कीइंग और कार रेसिंग होगी, स्पोर्ट्स गाड़ियों की। तो चलें, हम बच्चों को भी लेके जा रहे हैं और आपको भी वहाँ दिखाते हैं क्या। तो इसका नाम, आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ फन देयर। तो लेट्स गो। ओके, सी यू देयर।
Alright, so we've had the here is warmed up and getting ready to roll out.
Hot Wheels, Gugu.
Warmed up the cars here.
Yeah, that tiny one's
Motoring, fantastic. Stubby holders are $5. Stubby holders.
That's what it's all about.
So it looks like we're about to go for a bit of a run here.
What a beautiful car.
There are quite a few times. Now, for those that are at one end of the track or the other, just explain what it's like, because it's not a straight run, is it, the quarter mile?
No, there's a real bend in the track, and I think when you're at the start line, all you can see is that bend, and then when you come around the corner, you've got the big finish line flags looking at you. Your heart is pumping, and look, it's great for the adrenaline.
And signs saying break now, because there's a great big corner at the end going up Yarra Street, isn't it?
Yeah, my first run I was braking before.
The machine,
Yes, good,
nothing
good.
gay.
Here.
Alright, Geelong,
In the
thank
camera.
you so much. You guys are awesome. Let it rip
like
one more
it?
time just for us. Go! Yeah! Thank you guys. We'll see you soon on the bikes.
Thinking about it, get a car, enter it in. It's just so much fun.
And it doesn't have to be something like a race car or anything. We've had, like, I think last time we had like a Datsun, we've had like a Leaf, it doesn't matter. So it doesn't have to be a flash car. We've had the updates and years straight off the showroom floor. Stock cars come there. You go to racing yourself, like,
Absolutely, racing is your own time, so all you've got to do is spend that time you have in the first run. I might think about bringing the kids to the car. What do you reckon?
you can do that. And the reliable approach we have is to make that. So all of it, so it really is that. Now, currently, Porsche is about the Porsche Centre they are here. And Porsche Centre have brought down something very special. If you guys live in Porsche,
Look at the Tesla, Cuckoo. It's just empty. The bonnet inside.
free lollies.
that at speed, they have brought a simulator with them.
Oh, this is the black. Yeah, the Tesla.
This is our free lollies.
Yeah. Can I have a look? Go and have a look.
It's all fixed again.
I think there's lots of technology.
Get the lollies, yes. Check with mommy, yeah. ये टेस्ला में लॉलीज भेज रहे हैं. Nothing to see here except free lollies.
Even as they come up, especially down the other end of the track. So much events down there too. You've got, all of the along the line, t-shirts, the hats, all available at the tent. Fantastic. Shout out to my friends who've got the paint cards just now. I'm sure it's
अभी आई थिंक रेसिंग शुरू होने वाली है ना इनकी.
1 year old.
हाँ
Okay, that's a good last name.
yeah.
It's a great north-facing bay that we've got here in Geelong. I think we're super lucky.
Makes it interesting by the sounds of it. And there'll be more bikes coming up later on as well. It doesn't matter what you're into.
Oh my
And,
God.
You know, Colin, we're also here at the Revival.
Yeah,
Not
just
only
as big as tires,
you know,
yeah?
Cars and bikes. We've got the caravans, vintage caravans. We've also got vintage trucks, vintage boats, and even remote control vehicles.
Oh, that's fantastic. Something for everybody, right?
Christmas is just around the corner. Yesterday, it was a
Oh, it's huge.
Boxing Day. Well, motor free
तो अभी सब लोग बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। आप देखेंगे कार हैं यहाँ पर, स्पोर्ट्स कार पुरानी और नई, और वेदर भी बहुत अच्छा है। और फैमिलीज आई हैं बच्चों के साथ, छोटे बड़े सब बहुत इंजॉय कर रहे हैं। वेदर भी बहुत अच्छा है। डिफरेंट किस्म की गाड़ियाँ हैं, ड्रिफ्टिंग हो रही है और कार रेसिंग भी है। तो शो जो है तकरीबन 10 से 4 बजे तक चलेगा। तो वी आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ फन हियर। Oh my God! What a sound! Oh, it's another one coming. Wow, so fast. Wow. I like the sound, Cuckoo.
Beautiful colour as well.
Do you like it, Raima? 911. Oh, yes. Woo! That's so fast.
I've been in the helmet yesterday, so we're going to be here.
Another one is coming. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that car. Wow. That's so nice. So noisy. Heavy. राम आप भी खेलो ना बेटा। Rama, you wanna play on that one? He is not interested, only Kushi. रायन साहब एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं।
it's not just some of the stop launches. There's a beam across the track. There's one at the start line. We can see here. We're at the start line at the commentary booth here.
It's not the best vantage point, I think, to see the takeoff.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. Nice.
It is her car.
ये रेसिंग करके आ गई हैं, गाड़ियाँ पार्क हुई हुई हैं. और this is a Formula One Cuckoo, the black one. See, it's just little bit above the road. Yeah, it's so low.
There's Christine's going to go for right.
Christine's watching, so I think she knows now.
ये देखिए इसका इंजन
Just make sure you fill it up with petrol
सारा
before you
exposed
get
है.
back, you'll be right.
So nice,
Got our
beautiful.
Volvo coming up here. They are a locally made car back in the 60s and 70s in Mordy Allen. We've got two of them here today. What are the chances of that?
Yeah, they're amazing. And the yellow one that's coming up a little later on.
And
made in Geelong. Can't go wrong with Geelong, mate.
और ये for sale लगाई हुई है, इस पे नंबर भी लिखा हुआ है. If you want to buy,
Anyway,
you can just call them.
representation
We do. This is Neil Murdoch. Bolwell. Zingari.
ये Porsche
It's a
sporty one.
1975 model, this one.
Another one. और ये
WRX session number 99 coming up the line.
ये होल्डन जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की कार है, वेरी पॉपुलर हियर होल्डन.
Driver's license, that's why you have to sell it. And I can understand why when you try it. Very fun to drive. I just say on the road, don't come down here and try, have some fun.
ये एक अनदर वन चेक करें इसका. नाइस. Yeah. Oh, this is Ferrari. Yes, the old one, old model. And this one is Lamborghini. Yes.
Yeah.
क्या हुआ कुकू?
I want to eat chips.
अल्लाह.
गर्मी लगती है ना उसको.
हाँ.
Nice.
वो green one में देखता हूँ. Oh, this is another Ferrari. Green. Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Oh, they're going really well.
And this is the red Ferrari.
Also Club Reg, so you could drive that on.
And ये Ferrari है इसका. Cuckoo, this Ferrari, they have given the number if you want to buy. See, you can call them and ask them how much it is. See, that's the number.
Look at this car.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, nice. I think the door is locked. ये कुकू साहब Ferrari check कर रहे हैं. Does it say the price or the model or what? How much?
It's going to $779,000.
Oh wow, $779,000. अच्छा जी. Our different prices here. Yes, so this is $165,000, and this is I think this is 145, and
Oh, there are more.
more cars. So what's the price? I think these are different Mercedes and Nissan and
It's a convertible Ferrari for $779,000. But
Yes.
this one is a Lamborghini for $295,000.
Lamborghini.
The Lamborghini is cheaper than the Ferrari.
Sorry if I
Yeah,
pulled it so loud I couldn't hear you.
That's okay.
I think they are different models, different years. Yes. Oh, look at that. Let's check out the other one. Oh, this is Cuckoo, the Aston Martin, I think. Is this Aston Martin?
I see a pony.
Martin.
Best of both worlds.
Yeah.
This is so beautiful.
The interior is so luxurious.
Yeah. The seats are so luxurious, yeah? So noisy, yeah? My God, it's so nice. Yeah?
Can we eat something now?
Yeah, we're gonna eat off. We're gonna go and eat. कुकू साहब को भूख लगी, अब खाएगा कुछ लंच करेंगे.
Really understand.
और also this is convertible.
Somewhere away from everyone.
Oh, this is Corvette, Cuckoo. This is Corvette, Chevrolet, I think. Not Aston Martin. This is different car. And look at this spoiler. Look at this. This is Mercedes. And this. Look at this car. Which one is this one? Oh my God.
Yeah, Zach, give this one a bit of pedal before he takes off. It revs up this thing with a bit of
Which one is this one? Oh, this is Bugatti.
Left-hand drive as well. So
Oh, no. This is McLaren. This is McLaren.
You know, I didn't know
This is
that.
McLaren. Oh, that's so nice. मेरे ख्याल से McLaren का न्यूअर मॉडल है.
Oh, it's just up to
And अंदर से दिखाता हूँ आपको. Oh, the seats are so nice, yeah, inside. Oh, the dashboard. No, you can't.
Cam and Colville.
That's nice.